Hello, we are Coding Kim and Taeyeon Song. Today we are going to present a video about creating bug repellent sticker based on scattering and refraction of light. One day, while watching the news, I was shocked to see a video of a pack of Asian mayflies filling the baseball stadium and covering the body of a reporter who went out to cover river. In addition, bugs gather in the stored lights, causing discomfort to customers and creating big problems that interfere with business. Mayflies lay only for 4 to 5 days and do not bite people due to deterioration of the moths, nor do they spread infectious disease. Han River area where the larvae live is a water protection zone, so it is impossible to spray pesticides. Instead of killing mayflies, we decided to creating a light that avoids them. The ultimate goal of our study is finding a way that humans and animals coexist without harming each other. Then we found 3 ways to repel bugs. The first method is the color of light. Because insects cannot see the long colors of visible light, they use the red light, which has the longest visible light. The second method is to use cinnamon, lemon, herb, mint, and aroma scents that insects dislike. The last one is using water bags. When a transparent plastic bag containing water is hung, the plastic bag acts as a convex lens and reflects hundreds of lights. The insects will mistake this with its reflection for a giant natural enemy. In addition, when the light that comes out in a straight line collides with the water bag, the light is scattered and spreads in various directions, causing visual disturbance to the insects. The intensity of scattering, the distribution of scattering angles vary greatly depending on the wavelengths of the electromagnetic wave and the relative size of the particle radius that causes the scattering. The larger the molecule and the shorter the wavelengths, the better the scattering can be. The size of the particle radius of water is 1.98, which is large molecular size. In addition, it was found that water have short wavelengths about 0.122 meter. Water has a refractive index of 1.33, which is larger than a vacuum environment. This refractive index deforms the angles of light, so in conclusion, it was found that light scatters well when it comes into contact with water.
Our experiment purpose is to create a bug repellent sticker that wards off the insects without killing them. Through their sight and scent and compare among the different types of stickers we made. Next is experiment hypothesis. First sticker is the sticker with water allowed light to penetrate. Next sticker is sticker with red color. Third sticker is sticker with herbal and light. The first hypothesis is that sticker 2 and 3 will have a better effect than 1 due to its complexity. Second hypothesis is that sticker 2 would be better than 3. That is because Asian mayflies are known to be more sensitive to sight than any other parts of their body. The third hypothesis is that there are going to be a large number of insects being tested, not limited to Asian mayflies. Since we conducted our experiment outdoors, there are a lot of possible insects being tested. The last hypothesis is that fewer bugs will be present when the temperature is lower than 20. The experiment materials are these. We used 6 plastic bins, water, tape, red cellophane, herb aroma, light, scissor, and cotton. The experiment results are: the conditions of the experiment day was at 19 degrees Celsius, so there were fewer bugs than usual. But there were since the number of Asian mayflies and insects like moth were present. After attachment of sticker 1, the number of bugs have slightly increased. After attachment of sticker 2, the number of bugs has decreased. Sticker 3 caused a high response from the insects and actually attracted more. Next is the conclusion for this experiment. There are a specific ingredient called citral that acted to attract insects. This has a similar effect with pheromones, so it caused a response from the insects. The sticker with red cellophane could change the wavelength of the light and could make the insects not to recognize the light and avoid insects to be gathered around light source. The one with only water had no effect since there were only small amounts of water present. Next is contemplation. We could know that insects are highly affected by visual aspects, so sticker 2 could ward off the insects and others could not do it as efficiently. We also should make sure that the ingredients of the aroma that we use for sticker 3 should be clearly known to prevent any opposite effects. For the next experiment, we hope to create a more efficient repellent sticker through changing visual factor to be a stronger one and displace the herb from an artificial one to a natural one. Lastly, the expected result for developed bug repellent sticker is that it can be easily used by people and it can help people to avoid bugs without having to kill the harmless bugs, especially the Asian mayflies.